So, you've tried carnivore and felt awful, hungry, foggy, moody, or just off. Don't quit yet. Those symptoms might mean your body is adjusting. And if you know what to expect, you can fix it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 10 common problems people face when they start the carnivore diet, why they happen, and how to fix them. If you know what to expect, you'll be able to push through and actually get the benefits that drew you to a carnivore diet in the first place. Stick around because at the end, I'll build one of the most common mistakes people make when they abandon the carnivore diet for good and how fixing it changes everything. Hi, I'm Dr. Tony Hampton, a board-certified obesity doc and a proud carnivore for nearly 2 years. This morning during a meeting with colleagues, someone said, "Yeah, I tried carnivore, but I was always hungry and felt mentally foggy. I just couldn't do it." That's when I realized most people aren't quitting the diet because it doesn't work. They're quitting because nobody told them what to expect. That ends today. So let's talk about the 10 most common carnivore challenges and how to fix them. Number 1, constant hunger. The mechanism, your body is still looking for carbs. It hasn't learned how to run on fat yet. The fix, eat more, especially fat. This is not the time to count calories. Ribeye, eggs, butter, tallow. Lean isn't your friend right now. And don't forget salt. Number 2, mental fog or low energy. The mechanism, you're transitioning from glucose to ketones. Your brain's like, where's my sugar? The fix, electrolytes, especially sodium. Add broths, add salt, and again. And remember, fat is fuel. So don't fear fat. Number 3, cravings for sugar or carbs. The mechanism, dopamine withdrawal. Your brain was trained to light up for sugar. The fix, stay full. Add satisfying textures like crispy meat, bacon, or marrow. Distract your brain with protein-based dopamine hits. Think lamb chops, seared liver, or even steak bites. Number 4, digestive issues like constipation, diarrhea, or bloating. The mechanism, the gut microbiome is shifting. You've just eliminated all fiber. The fix, give it time. Choose cooked meats early on. Magnesium can help with constipation. Suet or rendered fat helps with lubrication. Diarrhea, cut back on rendered fat and stick with solid cooked cuts. Number 5, trouble sleeping. The mechanism, low salt, low cortisol regulation, or even late night eating. The fix, try a pinch of salt before bed, avoid eating too late, and keep your sleep routine sacred. If you're still wired, take a warm shower, stretch, or listen to something calming. I wrote an article with the Diet Doctor on tips on how to sleep, and I'll make sure to share that article in the video notes and comments. Number 6, bad breath, also known as keto breath. Mechanism, acetone buildup from ketones. The fix, just know it's temporary. Stay hydrated. If necessary, use a tongue scraper. If it really bothers you, try brushing with beta soda or oil pulling. Number 7, muscle cramps. The mechanism, electrolyte loss, especially magnesium, potassium, or sodium. The fix, add magnesium glycinate or citrate. Salt your food well. And of course, sip mineral-rich water. Number 8, heart palpitations. Mechanism, electrolyte imbalance or low-carb cortisol response. The fix, bump up your salt and fluids first. If it persists, work with a provider, but most of the time this is temporary and resolves with proper mineral intake. Number 9, feeling cold all the time. Mechanism, reduce insulin and thyroid downregulation during adaptation. The fix, make sure you're eating enough calories, especially fat. Add more warming broths and fatty cuts. This too often improves once your metabolism stabilizes. Number 10, mood swings or irritability. Mechanism, blood sugar fluctuations, dopamine changes, and gut-brain axis rebalancing. The fix, eat more frequently at first, get sunlight, walk with meals, and stay hydrated. Support serotonin with amino acids like tryptophan, found in eggs, turkey, and beef. So you may be asking, now, why would I want to do this diet in the first place? Because I've seen the outcomes firsthand in my clinic and in my body and in my community. We're talking about things like reduced inflammation, normalized blood sugar, mental clarity, reversal of autoimmune symptoms, and stable fat loss. It's like hitting the reset button on your health, but you've got to make it through the reboot. Now let's be real. Not every diet works for everybody. If you've got adrenal dysfunction, hormone imbalances, or you're under eating severely, carnivore might take longer to adapt to, or you may need a modified approach. That's okay. But for most people, this lifestyle is doable and transformative once you learn how to do it right. Now here's where I need you. If you're a seasoned carnivore, drop your best tip in the comments for someone just getting started. If you're new, let us know what you're struggling with. Let's support each other, because healing shouldn't be lonely. Even after 2 years on this diet, I'm still learning, and I'm sharing what I learned with you, so you can heal faster and smarter than I did. Here's the bonus. The number one mistake many people make. They try to go lean because they don't respect fat. But when they do that, most feel terrible, hungry, tired, irritable. And not until they embrace fat do they start to thrive again. So don't fear fat. Welcome it. That's where the healing lives. So before you go, hit that like button, subscribe for more carnivore content, and share this with someone who's about to give up too soon. And hey, this isn't personal medical advice. I'm your doctor on YouTube, but not your personal doc. So talk to someone who gets metabolic health before making major changes. Until next time, stay curious, stay bold, and don't quit before the miracle happens. I'll see you in the next video.